Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how we can draw mathematical shapes and insert fraction in MS Word. This is a very important lesson, especially for mathematics teachers who prepare and even set exam papers where they insert a lot of shapes and fractions. Sometimes when you want to insert a fraction, you find somebody typing, for example, uh, 1, then somebody's putting a forward slash, then 2. This is professionally not a fraction. This is just 1/2. But a real fraction will simply look like the ones shown here. These are the ones we can call fractions, like this one. This is 1/3 and this is 1/2. And you can do them very easily in MS Word. And you can as well insert shapes such as this one, and finally set a mathematics paper. In this project, we are going to set a simple mathematics paper with some few questions. I will go ahead and show you how it is being done. I will go ahead and start MS Word. In this Word document, I will start by putting the title for the exam. It can be anything. It could be midterm or it could be final exam. Let me write here, end of term mathematics paper. Probably that is the title for the exam. I will go ahead and set the title bold like that, and I will have question 1 here. I will set my font, probably Arial font size 11. So the first question will be solve the following equations. So down here, I want to insert 2 equations. So I will come here and maybe have A, then maybe you are given 5 plus 7. Now this is a mixed number. So I want to insert a fraction after 4. So I will just come to insert under equations here. I will now come here and choose, after this text box is inserted, I will choose the type of fraction here, and I will choose the first one. Then I can write here 2/3 like that. Then I will click again after 7. I will come and insert equation of type fraction, the first one, and probably this should be a half. Then click away. Then I'll put my equal sign. Then I will press enter. Then the next fraction, for example, I want 2 plus maybe a quarter, 2 and a quarter. Come to insert equations under fractions, choose the first one, 2 and a quarter, we could have here 2, 1 and 2. That is 2 and a half plus maybe a quarter. And a quarter's fraction there. Click away, then put equal sign. I will select this and come to paragraph. Can say maybe double. And you can see I have created two sums which involve fractions. The next thing I will do, I will have the next question. Find out angle X in the figure below. So here I want a diagram. So I will take this down by pressing enter to increase space. So I want to draw a diagram here. I will just come to insert shapes, then get my line. We have a couple of triangles you can choose, but I want my unique triangle the way I want to draw it the way I want. So I can have straight line here. Use arrow keys to bring it down a bit and change color here to black. I will pick a straight line again. Insert shapes. Maybe I can have the one running like this. Change here to black. Click away. Insert shapes. Then I pick it from there. Then join it there and choose black color here. So this is a triangle which is made up of 3 lines. I want to draw curves here. I can have insert, pick a curve here. Then escape. Change color here to black. Another one, insert shapes, pick a curve. Click the beginning of the curve. Click where you want it to end. Then adjust your hand like this until when you are satisfied, then you press escape key on the keyboard like that. Then another curve, insert under shapes, you pick the curve, you click the beginning of the curve, you click the end of the curve, then you adjust your hands as you check how the shape is changing. When you are satisfied at that position, you press escape key to end the curve, then you change the color. Now I want to label this. I want to put here something like 40 degrees. So I will click insert shapes, draw text box, then I will draw a text box here and put here probably 40, then put another 0 for the degree. So to change this 0 to a degree, I will select it, then right click on the selection and choose font. Then in this box for the font, you specify superscript, then you click OK. Now it becomes a superscript. Then I want to remove the border around this text box, so I will choose the outline and just say no outline, just like that. You can see the background of this text box is white and it is hiding the shape. So you come to shape fill and choose the no fill, so that the background becomes transparent and you can position it where you want. The next thing I want to put here 60 degrees. No, not 60. I want to put here 30. I want to put here 20 degrees. We are just estimating, we are not exact. So I will now come to my text box, insert text box, draw text box, then I will just draw here and put here maybe 25 degrees, then put a 0 for the degree, select your 0, make it a superscript and click superscript here. Then for the background and outline of this text box, for the outline you say no outline, and for the background you say no fill, so that now you have that one in place. Then finally here I can have a text box. You can even click a text box like this one, press Ctrl and C to copy it, Ctrl and V to paste it. Then I can move it where I want and make this X and position it here. So when we say here find the value of X, that is what we mean by X. So this part I can make this X bold here like that. That is done. I can reduce the size of this spacing here up to there. Then the next question will be draw another shape. So I will be writing another question here. Calculate the volume of the following cylinder. So here I have a cylinder. I want to draw a cylinder. I will remove this numbering here. delete that and create spacing by pressing enter. So here I will draw a cylinder. So just come to insert shapes and you can get a cylinder here. Then just draw it. Then remove the fill on it. Change the shape color to that, and I can increase the line a bit to at least that shape. Now I want to draw another broken line here. So I will just come to insert straight line and draw a broken line in from the middle to the circumference. Change the color of the line to black. Then I want it broken, so I will just come to while it is still selected, come to shape, then I will choose this one dashed like that. Now I will want to write click insert. I want to write the radius, so I will select here and r maybe equals to 20 centimeters. I can change this to small r, reduce the font here to maybe 10. Then for the outline, this one I want a shape outline for the text box, none, and text box background no fill. It's that. So I can move it and position it there. So radius equals to 20 centimeters. Now I want the height. For the height I can use arrows, insert shapes, and have arrows pointing upwards like that. Change color to black. I will come here and borrow this box by copying it. Click that box, Control and C to copy, Control and V to paste. Bring it here, and I will write here maybe height equal to 30 centimeters. Then I need another arrow to complete that. Insert shapes. Draw an arrow. Press Shift to get a perpendicular, a vertical arrow. Then change color like that and position it the same line as the above arrow like that. I can bolden this, calculate the volume, make it bold of the cylinder. Last I will have here another shape. Calculate the area of the parallelogram. I think that is a parallelogram. Now I want to insert parallelogram here. Insert shapes. I think it is this one. Then I can draw it here. shift it a bit down here. I remove the fill and change its color to black. Can even increase its thickness a bit, like that. Then I can have a straight line broken one, moving from top to bottom from this corner. Press shift and change the color to black and have it broken dashes. Then I will just choose this one. Then I can have another straight line running from the middle here. Shift down and change it to black. Click another shape running from down here. Press shift and black. Move with the arrow keys like that to symbolize 90 degrees. Then for the height, I can borrow this text here. Click this text, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and move it here. And maybe this becomes 40 centimeter height. And copy this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I can put it down here. Can even put it here, and maybe this side is 60 centimeters. So finally I have my maths paper ready, and this can be done by students in a particular examination. And this is how simple it is to make fractions and mathematical shapes examination. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.